The cryptocurrency market is in turmoil after a bombshell announcement. Donald Trump revealed details of a possible historic trade deal with the United Kingdom that could have direct implications for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. As a result, the price of Bitcoin is rising rapidly, approaching the $100,000 barrier for the first time since 2021. But how can a deal between two countries directly impact a decentralized digital currency, and why are investors reacting so positively? In this video, we will explore this surprising connection and explain what it means for the future of Bitcoin. If you want to understand how global events influence the crypto market, keep watching until the end. What is the US-UK agreement announced by Trump? According to Donald Trump's recent statements, the proposed agreement aims to strengthen trade relations between the United States and the United Kingdom by eliminating tariffs, encouraging bilateral investment, and promoting technological innovation. Some of the highlights of the agreement include facilitating cross-border payments, a more efficient system for international transactions, incentives for fintech and blockchain, supporting the development of emerging technologies including cryptocurrencies and smart contracts, reducing regulatory red tape, fewer barriers for companies operating in the crypto space. Although it is still an early announcement, the impact of this agreement is already being felt in financial markets, especially in the world of cryptocurrencies. How does this affect Bitcoin? Bitcoin has been widely seen as a digital store of value and an alternative to traditional fiat currencies. However, it also plays a growing role in international trade, especially in fast, intermediary-free transactions. Here are some reasons why Trump's announcement is boosting the price of Bitcoin, stimulating blockchain innovation. With explicit support for the development of blockchain technologies, the agreement could accelerate the adoption of cryptocurrencies in trade transactions between the US and the UK. This increases Bitcoin's utility as a medium of exchange and a global asset. Favorable deregulation. Trump is known for his pro-business and anti-over-regulation stance. A more friendly regulatory environment could encourage businesses and investors to adopt cryptocurrencies, increasing demand for Bitcoin. Currency hedge trade deals can lead to volatility in fiat currencies, especially the dollar and the British pound. Investors may turn to Bitcoin as a way to hedge their wealth against currency fluctuations. Positive market sentiment. Big economic news usually generates optimism among investors. Trump's announcement brought confidence to the crypto market, leading many to bet on a prolonged Bitcoin rally. Why is Bitcoin nearing 100K? Bitcoin's price is reacting not only to Trump's announcement, but also to other macroeconomic factors that are aligned to boost the crypto market. Upcoming halving. Bitcoin's upcoming halving event, scheduled for 2024, is generating bullish expectations, as historically, such events reduce the supply of new coins and increase the price. Institutional adoption. More and more companies and institutional funds are investing in Bitcoin, seeing it as a safe haven asset in times of economic uncertainty. Post-bear cycle. After a long bear market, the crypto market appears to be entering a new bullish phase, with technical indicators pointing to significant gains. Combined, these factors are pushing Bitcoin to unprecedented levels, quickly approaching the all-time high of $100,000. Risks and challenges. Despite the positive outlook, there are risks that need to be considered. Extreme volatility. Even if Bitcoin surpasses $100,000, sharp corrections may occur, especially in such a speculative market. Future regulations. Although Trump advocates deregulation, other governments or regions may impose stricter rules affecting Bitcoin's growth. Global events. Any political or economic instability may negatively impact the crypto market. Investors should always do their own research, DYOR, before making decisions. Trump's announcement of the deal with the UK is a powerful catalyst for the crypto market, especially Bitcoin, with incentives for blockchain development, increased institutional adoption, and an optimistic outlook for the future. Bitcoin is well positioned to surpass $100,000 soon. If you're thinking about entering the market or expanding your current position, now may be the ideal time to prepare. Keep an eye on upcoming political and economic developments, and don't forget to diversify your investments to minimize risk. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel, like it, and share it with your friends. Tell me in the comments, do you think Bitcoin will surpass $100,000 with this deal? See you next time.